While you're in the dashboard of your Canvas website, you select a course. From here, you navigate to the Settings page and select the Apps tab. Select View Application Configuration and click on the plus button to add a new application. As configuration type, you choose Paste XML. You add a name that you think is appropriate, like Pathomation LTI. To fill out the rest of the fields, you navigate to the following URL and copy-paste the customer key, secret key, and XML configuration in the corresponding fields. Now click Submit. Now Pathomation shows in the list. If not, just refresh the page. Now you navigate to your Canvas installation to add your Pathomation platform. You can choose to connect to My Pathomation, PMA Core, or both. When the connection is successful, you click Add. When you go back to your Canvas website, you can now go through all your collections, cases, and slides. In my next video for the Pathomation plugin for Canvas, I will explain how you can embed your virtual slides into your content.